Okay, say that again.
Sweet bird does not approve.
Do you like that he called you Satan Bird?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, show us the face. You gotta have the thumbs. There we go. And who is the shirtless wonder? Oh, shirtless wonder. With an owl.
I give you the bird.
I think I've just been flipped the bird.
In more ways than one. I'm
having way too much fun with this.
Oh, definitely. You're having fun? I've got a bird on my head. You're talking about shooting a bird, but that's ridiculous. And you take shooting a bird way too far. So have you heard of the word about this bird? Oh, fuck that. They found a new nest. Looks like it. Probably get it all the way to work with me. Still on my head. She's nibbling on my hair.
She does that. Looking for seeds.
It's weird. Well, she's not going to find any.
No, but she might find a small bug or two.